May good news ako para sa inyo, yung best-selling product namin na A+ Signature na sobrang pinagkakaguluhan, no, at maraming gustong kumuha. Kaya lang medyo mataas yung premium, no? Ngayon, starting today, naglabas ng mas murang version, lower minimum amount required. So, masasabi ko affordable na at kayang-kaya mo na to para sa iyo or para sa anak mo. So, konting review lang. Ano ba si A+ Signature? No? Pinanood natin yan dito sa video na to. Ni-review natin siya in full length. But you know, just a summary. It's a limited pay endowment. So, limited pay, 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years ka lang nagbabayad. Tapos forever yung kanyang benefits. It gives you guaranteed cash payout. It gives you guaranteed 200% life insurance coverage. And then guaranteed yung payment period. Hindi siya VUL na hindi guaranteed na pwedeng magbabayad ka ulit in the future pag bumagsak yung account value. So ang main feature ng A+ Signature is 10% kung ng anuman yung face amount na makukuha mo is ibibigay as cash payout, guaranteed income, starting at the end of year 6 for the rest of the life of the insured. So kung ikaw yung insured, for the rest of your life. Kung insured yung anak mo, for the rest of the life ng anak mo. Alright? So if you can remember, right, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng 100,000 payout every 2 years for the rest of your life, right, kailangan mong kumuha ng 1 million na face amount. Alright? So pag tinignan natin kung magkano yung 1 million face amount for a 37-year-old male, makikita niyo rito including the total and permanent disability na 1 million and personal accident insurance sa 1 million, 130,850 siya. So still, super sulit nito. Kaya lang baka hindi lahat kayang ma-afford, no, 20 years to pay or feeling nyo sobrang haba for 130,000 na premium, 20 years to pay. So maraming nagdadalawang isip kahit maganda yung product. Alright? So ngayon, no, ang minimum niya, no, kung hindi kaya yung 1 million face amount, ang minimum niya is yung 500,000 face amount, 10% nito yung guaranteed payout na ma-receive every 2 years, so 50,000. The minimum amount for a 37-year-old male is 65,730, no? So a little over 5,000 a month. Tapos pag monthly mo, 6,244 if you can see, no, dito sa table na ito. So yun yung A+ Signature na 20 years to pay. Now, maraming kumukuha, no? Maraming kung talagang maganda yung negosyo mo or malaki yung sweldo mo, you can even get more than 1 million. No? Then, yung iba naman na nagsisimula pa lang, mag-ipon, gusto pa lang mag-start mag-save, pero ayaw ng VUL, ayaw din naman sa bangko, ayaw din mag-trade sa stock market, or probably they just wanna diversify. Maybe yung iba kumuha ng minimum, so they started with 65,000 to 70,000 annually. However, marami talagang gustong mag-start, even the younger generation, yung mga bata like the early 20s, early 30s, hindi pa rin afford yung 5,000 a month probably, or may ibang pinagkakagastusan syempre. So, good news. Naglabas si AIA ng lower minimum which is half of that previous minimum. So, super affordable na siya. Alright? So, tignan natin sa 38-year-old female. Alright? An A+ Signature, 20 years to pay with 250,000 face amount. May life insurance ka na double of the 250,000, kaya siya 500,000 life insurance. Nilagyan natin ng rider which is optional kasi mura lang naman. 250,000 total and permanent disability and 250,000 personal accident insurance in case of accidental death. All in all, pag in-add mo siya, 34,547.50. Right? So 34,000 per year, 20 years to pay. Less than 3,000 a month kung i-annual mo. Now, kung hindi pa rin kaya yung annual or gusto na naka-budget siya, quarterly yung pinaka mas madalas na pwedeng kunin dito. Hindi pa pwede yung monthly for this plan kapag below 500,000 yung face amount. So, ang quarterly niya is 9,673.30 lang. Alright? Or just 3,200 a month. Right? Kung kukompute mo yung monthly. So, 9,673.30. Super mura niya. Diba? Tinignan ko rin kung yung bata yung insured. No? Kung bata yung insured, 4-year-old male, ang owner pa rin, the same, yung parent, 38-year-old female. So, hindi nagkakalayo. 33,530.79. Wala yung dalawang riders kanina, kasi pang adult yun. Pero merong payer's benefit on death and disability rider. Ito naman, in case of death or total and permanent disability na nagbabayad, which is the owner, mawe-waive na yung premium, hindi na kailangan bayaran at tuloy-tuloy yung benefits. So napakahalaga na ilagay mo yung rider na yan, although optional. So it's just 33,530.79 or just, 3,100 a month, 9,000 plus per quarter. Super affordable. Ang payout, 10% ng face amount, so 250,000 times 10%, 25,000 every 2 years for the rest of the life of the insured starting at the end of year 6. So kung yung age 4 na male, 6 years from now, age 10 siya, mag-start yung payout na 25,000. Pangdagdag sa gastusin sa school, which is guaranteed expense naman kung nagpapaaral ka. Tinignan ko rin kung 10 years to pay lang, kung masyadong nahahabaan ka sa 20 years, 10 years to pay actually masulit. Hindi siya doble nung 33,000. Ito 56,459.98 lang. So kung afford mo, kang mas kaya naman shorter term, 10 years to pay lang, ito 56,459.98. And then kung gusto mo pa mas maiksi pa, 'di ba? Afford naman ng budget, pero gusto mo tapos agad, Maybe kaya mo yung 100,000 before pero 20 years nag-aalala ka, o ito gumawa tayo 5 years to pay. Tapos 25,000 payout every 2 years. Pag natapos mo, di kuha ka na lang ulit, or pag gumanda yung sweldo or kita, dagdag ka na lang. Tingnan ko yung premium, 113,291.62 lang siya. So which is just about less than 10,000 a month kung i-annual mo yung payment. Quarterly, it's 31,721.65. So super affordable. Right, so ang daming pwedeng options. Ang maganda dito, very flexible siya. Pwede mong, kung mas mataas ng konti yung budget mo, pwede natin i-adjust. Basta minimum is the 250,000 face amount or the 25,000 payout. Pwedeng mas mataas ng konti, pero wala pang 50,000. So pwede. So, naglagay ako, gumawa ako ng table for an age 38 female. Magkano kung i-increase natin unti-unti. So again, ang benefits nito, 200% life insurance coverage, total and permanent disability, tsaka personal accident insurance. Yun yung nilagay ko. Now, if you can see in this table, face amount of 250,000, magbibigay yan ng guaranteed income and payout of 25,000 pesos every 2 years. Now, ang annual premium niya, 34,547.50. So, ito na yung pinakamura na pwede mong makuha. Kung mas mataas ng konti yung budget, right, for the 20 years to pay, right, kung 400,000 face amount, 40,000 guaranteed payout, di 54,826 lang siya per year. Kung 600,000 or 60,000 payout, 81,864 per year. Kung 800,000 face amount or 80,000 payout, 108,902 per year. And then kung 1 million, again, 100,000 payout, 131,210 per year. Alright, so ang gusto ko lang talagang ipakita rito is very flexible na siya ngayon based on your budget. Napakaraming interesado in the past pero hindi talaga kaya even the minimum amount. So now, kahit makapag-start ka lang muna, if you are very young or just starting to realize na kailangan mag-invest or I want to make my money work for me. So make your money work for you this time. Kasi ito, 20 years ka lang magbabayad, probably even shorter if you have bigger budget. But the benefits, the payout will be for life. Tama, this is an investment that pays you for life. So who can avail? Kung policy owner, 18 to age 99, ang insured, depende sa paying period. Kung 5 pay up to age 65, 0 to 65. Kung 10 years to pay, 0 to age 60. Kung 20 years to pay, ang insured should be 0 to age 50 lang. So, paano makakuha ng quotation? Just send me your full name and your birth date. Ikaw at nung anak mo kung pati siya, kung siya yung i-insure natin. Occupation, mobile number, so that I can send some of the links that are needed. Your email address if you want to be emailed. This to be emailed to you, and then let me know how much face amount. Yung minimum ba na 250,000 or something lower, or probably you can give me a budget and then I can fit a good amount for that. Pwede rin pong ganun. So all you need to do is just message me in my Facebook page, go to DJ Dimaliwat or search facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat official. So with that, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.